Here at Northeast, 60% of our students plan to transfer to a four-year university. We can help you ensure that your classes will transfer to that university and that you'll be able to apply for transfer scholarships as well. We also have partnerships with multiple universities. They offer things like early admissions programs, transfer scholarships, classes that can be completed on our campus, and even some bachelor's degrees that can be completed without ever leaving our campus. In the state of Alabama, we have an excellent resource that helps community college students ensure that they take the classes that will transfer to universities in Alabama. The STARS Guide effectively guarantees that your classes will transfer as long as you take the courses outlined in the guide. Let me walk you through the process so that you'll be able to complete the next assignment in this module. Let's get the guide. Today, we'll be using the Google Chrome browser. In your browser, type stars.troy.edu into the address bar. The page should look like the one you see now. From here, click on Get the Guide. Next, you will click on the Official link to get your official guide. The unofficial guide will not guarantee that your classes will transfer. Then, you will select Public or Private Institution. Today, we will only select public, which is the most common option. If you are transferring to a private institution, I recommend making an appointment with me to go over the individual school's requirements. For students planning on transferring out of state, you will also need to meet with me to discuss your university's requirements. Click on the option that says Alabama Public 4-Year University. You can now fill in the boxes with your personal information. On the right-hand side, you will select Northeast Alabama Community College from the first drop-down menu. Then, choose your major from the second drop-down menu. If you don't see your major, it could be under a different title. For example, Accounting and Marketing are both listed under Business. Lastly, click the Continue to Step 3 button to go to the next page. Here, we will select the top 2 schools that you are interested in attending. If you only have one option, you can select that school twice. If you need to cover other schools, you may print more than one STARS Guide. Click the Get the Guide button once you are finished. You should now see your guide. At the top of the page, click the Print STARS Guide button. Don't worry if you aren't connected to a printer. Now you can click the Change button on the left side of the screen. Choose the Save as PDF option. Now you can title the file something easy to recognize, such as Jonathon Doe STARS Guide Liberal Studies. Make sure you save the file somewhere it will be easy to find. We are saving it to the desktop, and that's where we recommend you save it as well. When you are ready, click Save. We will show you how to upload this file to AdvisorTrack in a later segment. Now we need to obtain an Area 5 page to go with our STARS Guide. This page shows the specific requirements for the universities you selected earlier. This page is essential to your guide. To get this page, please scroll down to the Area 5 section of the guide. You should see a list of schools. Next to their names will be a link titled Area 5 page. Click on the appropriate Area 5 page link for the school you listed as your first choice. We are using Athens State as an example, but the process should be familiar for each school. Next, we will find our major and click on that link. Now we see the Area 5 page for our first choice school. Athens State currently has our example Area 5 page included in a book of several pages. We will be careful to only save the ones we need. To print, you can hold the Control key and push the letter P, or you can right-click in the center of the page and click on the Print button. Finally, we will save this file as a PDF as well. Be sure to use a recognizable name and to save it in the same place as the previous file. Congratulations on obtaining your first STARS Guide.